Hi, lovely people. How are you? Let me know down in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing great because I got a pleasant surprise today in the mail. This is the March 2019 Boxycharm. This is a $21 a month subscription, and I really like this subscription. I'm sure everybody knows what this is, but if not, I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out. So let's open this puppy up and see what is in here. I got it fairly early this month and I really like that. So this is what it looks like when you open her up. All right, so this just say Lovelies Rouge. Is that what it is right there? You guys can see. And on the back tells you what everything is and gives you prices. All right, so let's start with the first thing I see. So this is a mask. This is from Wander Beauty. And I really enjoy Wander Beauty products. Everything I tried, I really like. I like their mascaras, but I really like their foundation sticks. And I don't like foundation sticks. They're not creamy enough for me, but these foundation sticks I really like. They're $40 a piece though. But I really like them. I don't think there's anything from Wander Beauty. I like their lipsticks that I tried that I haven't liked. So let's read up about that. That's what it looks like. Okay, so this is Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is $34. Let's read about it. It says containing a blend of skin loving acai. I don't know how to pronounce that. Let's see, blueberry, I don't know how to read this stuff, and green tea leaf extracts. Their Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Amen. I will take that. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and a brighter complexion. I love peel off masks, so I'm definitely excited to definitely try that. And I almost forgot to tell you guys, I do have a 2-year anniversary giveaway going on right now. It's over March 10th, so I will leave that video down below. Make sure you check it out. I do have a Gleam link, and you only have to be subscribed. Well, there's 2 winners, and if I get to 30,000, then it will be 3 winners. So make sure you check that out. All right, the next thing I see, I love Moda brushes so much. So I know they carry these at Walmart, Moda, not this, but Moda brushes. Let's see how much that is. Where you be one? Okay, so this is $29.99. So this alone right here pays for the box. So it says powder and soft glow kit. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. I love getting brushes. Okay. So it comes like that. All right. So, oh, this is a nice, I love this so much. It says Moda, and this is so soft. I really like this a lot. I really do like Moda brushes. And this right here, I guess you can use for a few things right there. It has the same, what do you call it, handle. You can either take, I think it would be too soft to take off any powder, but it would be great for highlighting like it says, because it's very flimsy, you know? But I really like this one. So that's good. All right. And then it comes like this. So then I have this. This is a lipstick. Another Ofra lipstick. I think last month we got Ofra lipstick as well. Okay, where are you? All right, so this is $20. And what shade is this in? Monaco, right there. This would actually match my eyeshadow look and stuff. So, all right, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Is this the... Okay, yeah. So you might want to shake it up, you know, before you use it, but there we go. So that's really pretty, actually. I really like that a lot. All right. I love the way they smell. All right. The next thing we got is this Appeal from Appeal liquid eyeshadow. This is liquid eyeshadow. Now I've tried their like pigments that are really good. This is like an expensive brand. So this is $21. Does it say what shade? I don't know. Let's see on here if it says the shade. It just says this highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. This formula, okay, all right, so it's just a liquid, but I don't see where the shade is. Let's see, liquid eyeshadow. Ferio, maybe, is it? I'm not sure, but let's open her up. So it has a safety seal. All right, where's that little thingy at? If you are new to my channel, I do not edit my videos, so let's see. All right, so there we go, and let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So this is what the wand looks like. It's like, it looks like one of them lip brushes, and there we go. That is really, really pretty. I would definitely get some use out of this. You can either wear this like alone, or you can put it on top of an eyeshadow you already have on to give it like a pop. I don't know if you guys tried from ColourPop, the Supernova shadows. This is what this reminds me of. That's gorgeous. All right, and last but not least is this Cover FX palette. Now, so this is the light to medium, and I know they have medium to deep. If you don't know, if you go on Boxycharm's website, and there is a beauty quiz on there, make sure you go in there and do your profile, because now they're going by profiles. So this is so exciting. All right, let's see. This is $45. All right, so that's what the packaging looks like. And then this is the back. I'm surprised it doesn't come with like an outer box, you know? Let's see. Oh, that's gorgeous. So it has a nice mirror. Let's see what I can use to, I can cover up this mirror so I don't blind you. This is gorgeous. So you have like a brightener, you have two highlighters, so you have more of a, this one here is the pinkish color, and this is more of a goldish color. Then you have a blush right here, you have a finishing powder, and you have a contour shade. So I will definitely do some swatches. Okay, so let me swatch the two highlighter shades. So there we go. All right. So one is, this one here is the more of the pinkish color, and that is more of the gold color. And they're pretty nice, actually. I like them a lot. All right, so let's do the blush. Let me get that off of me. All right, we'll do the blush, and then we'll do the contour shade right there. All right, so here's the blush, and this is the, oh, that's pretty. So there we go. So you have the blush, and then you have the contour shade. That's really nice. All right, and then I don't know if this will show up. So you have, oh, that is really silky. The brightener, and then you have the finishing powder. Oh, right there. All right, so this is the brightener, and that is the finishing powder. I don't know if it'll show up. So here we go. The brightening powder, like I said, I don't know if you can even see. That is like kind of like satiny. And then the finishing powder is, you know, it'll be clear. It's, you know, not matte, but it's more of like a satin as well, you know. So I'll definitely try it. I haven't really tried a lot of things from Cover FX as well as talking about their face products. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to try that. So that's good. I think this month was really good. Let's recap. So we got this. This was $45. We got another Ofra lipstick. We got this Wonder Beauty peel off mask, which I'm really excited because it's supposed to be like a brightening mask as well. And then we got, this is really gorgeous, guys, this liquid eyeshadow. It is really, really pretty. So and the Moda brushes. Can't forget the brushes. This, I don't know, because it's a little flimsy for my my liking, but I'll find something for it. But I really like this powder brush. I will leave down below, I'll add everything up, and I will leave how much everything costs in my description box. And that is everything. If you are wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing ColourPop, which I love ColourPop. This is the Lit collection by Bretman Rock. So this is more of like the neutral colors, and I am wearing every color except for that yellow color right there, and I really like this. What I'm doing now in a lot of my videos at the end, I will tell you what eyeshadow I'm wearing, what I think of it, because I always get asked what I'm wearing, and I always forget to link it in my description box. All right, guys, I have one more question for you guys. Now, usually when I do my unboxings, I just show you what everything is, and I'll do some swatches. Do you guys want to see me where I do that, and then the second half, I actually try the things on so you can see what it looks like? Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to start doing that with the Boxycharm, with the more makeup subscriptions. I do not mind doing it, so let me know what you guys would rather see. But guys, don't forget to sign up for that giveaway. It's almost over, and it's me giving back to you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video because it really does help me out. Leave a comment, let me know how your day is going. And as always, I always leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.